Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to unblock Payoneer account. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what you're going to do, you're going to just double check if your Payoneer needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, and I'm going to go ahead to my browser. And if you want to unblock a Payoneer account, if you enter incorrect sign-in details 3 times in a row, your Payoneer account will be locked for 30 minutes. And if this is the case, please wait 30 minutes and your account will be automatically unlocked. So basically, it's a system problem. If you try to log in multiple times or 3 times in a row, basically your account will be disabled for security purposes. So you need to wait out for at least 30 minutes, and then your account will be automatically unlocked, and you're gonna be able to log in with your account again. Okay, so basically, unless you have violated any Payoneer's terms, there's no chance that you will get your account back after review. All the money sent to your account will be reversed to that sender. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.